Thank you for your service, brother.
Hey, thank you.
Appreciate it, man. I really do. I don't know how you do the full uniform on the bike, though, but that's crazy.
It's a little warm during the day.
Yeah?
Yesterday was kind of bad. It was 110.
Yeah, yesterday I was done.
Yeah.
I was done. I was feeling dehydrated yesterday. Today I drank a gallon of water and I just ride the streets, so.
Oh, yeah, you gotta stay up on that water, that's for sure.
Yeah, heck yeah. Take care, but drive safe.
Yeah.
Thank you. I was just wondering if you could film me doing a dank wheelie real quick. I'll just play it, bro. What's up, brother? How you doing? Yeah, I'm living too, man. Your tire ain't living.
This one right here?
Yeah.
This flat?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. Check it out, bro. Should look at it.
Good?
Huh?
It ain't looking too good?
Nah, I don't think you're gonna make it through the light, bro.
Man, for real?
I'm fucking with you, man. I'm just fucking with you, bro.
I got this little sensor right here on my hood that
No, I do it for my fans, man.
Okay.
They asked me to do that to somebody. They actually told me to make them get out the car, but I was like, I ain't gonna do that. You got the kid. You got the kid. I ain't gonna do that to her like that. Hey, get it, girl, get it. What's up with you? You trying to get you a man out here, huh? I ain't never seen someone so happy. What's up? Oh my God, I love your hair. Look at this pink. I have a question. You wanna go half on a baby? You wanna go half on a baby? Hey, I'm just kidding. I'm just playing. How you doing tonight? I'm doing good. You wanna get on the back? We can leave your truck right here.
What's that?
Why don't you get on the back? We can leave your truck right here.
Good thing.
Come on, why not?
Sorry.
It'll be a fun ride. I'm just playing with you. You guys need help? You sure? I only see chicks, man.
Huh?
I only see girls.
No, there's a guy.
We got one. I'm gonna help out. How about that? I ain't saying y'all can't do it. I'm just trying to help.
Okay, you have to put them in the middle. Yeah. Just so it doesn't.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that fan feels amazing. Not your shirt.
Is it okay?
Oh, I got it. I want to pinch your fingers. Did you have another bag?
Probably put some in this.
I got you.
The rest over here. Yeah, it's not as much stuff as we got the last time.
welcome, for sure. Hey, Grom. Have a great day, you guys. What's up, yo? Where you want to go? What's up, man? What's going on?
What's that?
What's going on?
You tell me.
I don't know. I just saying what's up. I saw you guys. You following.
Pecos Road's only 45, not 65.
I got you. I didn't mean to cause no problems with you. I just saw you. I didn't even know you were a police officer. I just saw you follow him all the way in.
That's the whole point.
So I wanted to see. You know. No, I'm with you, brother. I don't cause no problem with police officers,
I
man.
didn't say you did, but it's 45. You're going 20 over.
I respect. Me personally. You talking
Both
about me?
of you. I've been following you for 2 miles.
Oh, I do apologize. How come?
How come I didn't?
I don't even want to.
How come I didn't pull you over?
No, I don't.
I mean, I can do that. We can do that now. We can
No,
get your
we're good,
license,
man.
registration, insurance.
You got my license. I
mean, 20 over is
I don't
criminal.
get in trouble.
You understand that, though, right?
I apologize, man.
Do you understand that, though?
I totally understand
Okay.
everything
So
you're
as long
saying.
as you know that 20 over is criminal, I can just be arresting you. No questions asked.
Absolutely. I understand that. And I apologize. Hey. You want to go half on the baby?
What?
You want to go half on the baby?
What?
You want to go half on the baby?
I don't know what that means.
I'm just playing with you. Hey, I just pranked you. Come here.
Oh, okay.
I was asking if you want to go half on a baby.
Half on a baby? In this economy, probably.
Yo, I always run into slow Mustangs, and now I see a slow Camaro, bro.
Parents, I'm only 20. My parents bought it for me.
Ah, come on, don't give me that excuse. Let's go. Let me tell you a new asshole right now. Hey, fuck with me, bro.
Alright, thanks, man.
You'll like it. Sorry. Hey, let's go Dutch. What's up?
How's it going?
Good, I said sorry. You rolling up a blunt?
What's up?
You rolling up a blunt?
Yeah, man. I wish.
That's funny, bro. Have a good morning, man. Have a good morning for sure. I'll race you if you want.
Not gonna last, but let's do it.
All right. Today's Hug a Cop Day, bro. It's Hug a Cop Day. Come on, man, bring it in. I just want a hug, bro. Thank you for your service, man. How you doing? I'm doing good. You know, today is Give a Biker a Hug Day. It's Give a Biker a Hug Day. Hey. Thank you, I appreciate it. What's up, man? How you doing? Dude, not too bad. Hanging in there. Getting a whiff of that cigarette. I want some. It sucks you can't smoke and ride. Right. Some bullshit. I always pull up next to someone smoking.
Yeah, right.
Y'all ain't got no AC?
No, you don't.
Fuck. Mine broke. I'll just fucking with you, bro. Have a good day, guys. Hey. I love a guy in uniform, baby. Oh, you want to hold my hand? We're just gonna.
We're faster, but you're taking off with me.
That's fucking dope, man. I'm gonna post this shit today, bro. Yeah, man. I'm a YouTuber, man. I just fuck with people when I pull up, bro.
I think if I was faster, who would have hold hands?
Hey, man. Hey, I don't do anything staged, though, bro.